Painted along the wall of the Frankston Library for the Big Picture Fest in 2019, this piece by Peeta presents an optical illusion when viewing at a specific angle. There's not a precise theme behind this artwork, but there is a study of the context and a deep will to make the mural perfectly mingle with the surrounding environment while having it stand out at the same time, thus creating a temporary interruption of normality. Its shapes are following the original lines of the architecture but are, at the same time, creating new volumes and new voids too, redesigning the original shape of the building. Manuel de Rita, also known as Peeta, has been a graffiti artist since 1993, currently living in Venice. He is a member of the EAD crew of Padova, Italy, FX and RWK crews in New York City, and has participated over the years in jams, festivals and art shows all over the world. His work explores the potential of sculptural lettering and anamorphism both in painting and in sculpture.